Let's discuss about builder pattern. Builder pattern is a creational design pattern that helps in constructing complex objects step by step. It allows you to create different variations or representations of an object without the need to have multiple constructors or parameters. The builder pattern belongs to the creational design pattern category. Creational patterns deal with object creation mechanisms, trying to create objects in a manner suitable for the situation. They aim to encapsulate the object creation process and decouple it from the rest of the code. We use the builder pattern when we need to create an object with various configurations or when we have complex object creation logic. It helps to improve the readability and maintainability of the code by separating the construction of the object from its representation. Let's understand builder pattern concept with code example. Imagine you're building a to-do list application in TypeScript. You want to create to-do items, but these items can have various properties like a title, description, priority, and due date. This is where the builder pattern comes to your rescue, providing an elegant way to construct complex objects step by step. This code example divided into 3 steps. Step 1. We start by defining a class called to-do. This class represents a to-do item and includes properties such as title, description, priority, and due date. These are the components we want to assemble to create a to-do. Now, let's introduce the star of the show, the to-do builder class. This builder class will help us create to-do items with ease. It provides a set of methods for setting each property of our to-do item. These methods return the builder instance itself, allowing us to chain them together for a fluent and readable construction process. Inside the to-do builder, we have default values for our properties. For example, the default priority is set to low, and the due date defaults to the current date. These defaults ensure that we have sensible values even if we don't explicitly set them. We have setter methods like with title, with description, with priority, and with due date, each corresponding to one of the properties of our to-do item. When you call these methods, they update the internal state of the builder with the values you provide. Step 3. Now, let's see how we use this builder in practice. We start by creating a new to-do builder instance and then chain together the builder methods to set the properties of our to-do item. Finally, we call the build method on the to-do builder. This method takes all the properties we've set and constructs a to-do object with them. It neatly packages everything together and hands us a fully fledged to-do item. And there you have it, our to-do item is ready, created using the builder pattern. This pattern not only allows us to create complex objects with optional or default values, but also provides a clean and expressive way to specify the properties of our objects, making our code more readable and maintainable. In conclusion, the builder pattern provides a way to construct complex objects step by step, allowing us to create different variations of the object without the need for multiple constructors or parameters. It helps improve code readability and maintainability by separating the construction of an object from its representation.